Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage stock in your Shopify store. This is essential for keeping track of your inventory and ensuring your customers know what's actually available to purchase. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to shopify.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can access all your store management tools. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look for and click on Products. This section houses all the items you're selling in your store and gives you complete control over their details and inventory settings. From your products list, click on any product you want to manage stock for. This will open up the full product page where you can edit everything from descriptions to inventory levels. Now, scroll down the page until you find the inventory section. This is where all the magic happens for stock management. Here you'll be able to track quantities, set up stock keeping units, and configure how Shopify handles your inventory. The first thing you need to do is make sure to click the toggle button for inventory tracked. This tells Shopify that you want to monitor stock levels for this particular product. Without this enabled, Shopify won't track how many units you have available. Once that's toggled on, you'll see your shop location displayed. This shows where your inventory is stored and managed, which is especially useful if you have multiple warehouses or retail locations. First, you'll notice a section labeled Unavailable. By clicking it, you'll see several options including damaged, quality control, safety stock, and other. You can input numbers in any of these fields if you need to account for items that aren't available for sale due to these specific reasons. This helps you keep track of where all your inventory actually is. Next, you'll see the Available field. This is where you input the quantity of stock that's ready to sell. Simply enter the number of units you have on hand for this product. Once you do this, it will automatically adjust the on-hand quantity, giving you an accurate picture of your total inventory. Now, look at the bottom where you'll see SKU. Click on this field to add a stock keeping unit, which is your internal code for identifying and organizing this product. You can also add a barcode there if needed, which is particularly helpful if you're using scanning systems for inventory management. Additionally, you can check the checkbox labeled Continue Selling when out of stock if you want customers to be able to purchase the item even when inventory reaches zero. This is useful for pre-orders or if you can quickly restock items. Once everything looks good and your stock levels are properly configured, click the Save button at the top of the page to finalize all your changes. Your inventory is now updated and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.